Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about what is Grafana. So in my previous video I discussed there what is Prometheus. So in this video I will integrate Prometheus with Grafana. So firstly I would like to tell you that what is Grafana. The information or the matrix which is collected by the Prometheus that is easily in the visualization form is seen by the using Grafana tool. Okay, Grafana is used for to provide a matrix visualization. It's a very high visualization tool. So whatever information you collect, you can see through a graph form in the Grafana. You can get a lot of graph types. It's depend upon you in which graph you are comfortable. You can choose that graph and understand the matrix information which is collected by the Prometheus server. Okay, so now in this diagram I would like to tell you the integration of the Prometheus server with Grafana. So for this setup, for doing this task, you have to launch three operating system. One for Node Exporter, second from Prometheus server, and third from Grafana. Okay, what uh, this diagram will present. This diagram shows you that Chrome server is connected with your Node Exporter. Means Chrome server collect the matrix information in every 15 seconds. It's depend upon you in how many minutes or seconds you want collect metrics of your Node Exporter. Okay, so here it send to this to the signal to the Node Exporter that I want to collect a matrix. Okay, then Chrome server go to the here Node Exporter, and Node Exporter send the matrix to the Chrome server, and then this matrix will be stored in the database of the Chrome server. And if we want to access this data of matrix of this Node Exporter, then we have to run a prom QL, means prom query, to access or to retrieve the information from the database. Okay, and now this portion has been done, and now the role of Grafana will come. Now Grafana, sorry, this diagram is little bit wrong. The line which are connected with Chrome server, it should be connected from the database. uh, Means it should be from here. Now for collecting the information in Grafana, Grafana will send the signal to the database, and database retrieve the information to the Grafana, and this process will be run in real time. Means database send information in every 15 seconds to the Grafana, and according to the matrices, Grafana will show you the visualization in the form of graph. Okay, for understanding the what is Grafana now. Now you are very comfortable with. According to me, I try to my best to understand to you what is Grafana. So in this next video I will tell you how to launch Grafana and how to perform this practical, so that you can integrate your Prometheus server to the your Grafana. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.